Want to make YouTube Shorts with Canva? Let me show you how you can do that. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser and navigate to Canva's official website. That's www.canva.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in or create a free account. Canva is a cloud-based design platform, so everything you do will be saved online, which means you can access your projects from any device. Once you're on the homepage, look for the search bar at the top of the screen. This is where you can find templates tailored to different platforms. Type in YouTube Shorts and hit Enter. Canva will now display a selection of templates specifically designed for YouTube Shorts. These templates are pre-formatted to match the standard vertical video size used by YouTube, 1080 pixels wide by 1920 pixels tall, which is a 9:16 aspect ratio. At this point, you'll notice there are various templates labeled for YouTube Shorts. However, if you're looking for even more options, try searching for TikTok instead. TikTok uses the exact same vertical video dimensions, and Canva offers over 2,000 templates in that category. You're free to use any of them for YouTube Shorts as well. Now, while templates can be helpful, especially for beginners or for quick edits, in this tutorial, we're going to start from scratch. That means we'll build everything ourselves: the video, the text, the animations, and the voiceover. This is important if you want to create original content regularly or develop your own style. To start fresh, look for the button labeled Create a Blank TikTok Video. Don't worry that it says TikTok. Remember, the format is identical to YouTube Shorts. Once you click this, Canva will open up a new project window with a vertical layout, perfectly sized for short-form videos. On this blank canvas, you'll see several key areas of the workspace. Design, add different styles and templates. Elements, access shapes, graphics, videos, and photos. Upload logos and branded assets. Uploads, add your own media files. Text, add headings, subheadings, or body text. Now that your blank canvas is ready, the next step is to bring in the video clips that will form the foundation of your YouTube short. Start by going to the left-hand side panel and clicking on the Uploads tab. This is where you can add your own media, videos, images, audio files, and more. Click the purple Upload Files button and a window will pop up, allowing you to browse your computer. Select the video clips you want to use. For this tutorial, I'm uploading 2 royalty-free clips that I previously downloaded from Pexels.com, which is an excellent source for high-quality, copyright-free videos and photos. It's completely free, and you don't need to give credit to the creators. For example, I searched for free beach videos and got access to over 15,000 results, all ready to use in commercial or personal projects. Once your videos finish uploading, they'll appear in the Upload panel. Drag the first video clip directly onto the canvas. If you notice that the clip doesn't fill the entire screen, don't worry. Simply click on the video and use the corners to resize it so that it stretches across the full vertical layout. You can also reposition it by clicking and dragging it around to frame the subject the way you like. Next, let's trim the video. The original clip may be around 20 seconds long, but YouTube Shorts work best when they are short and punchy. Click on the video in the timeline, then use the trim handles to cut it down to your desired length. About 4 to 5 seconds is ideal for this section. You can preview the trimmed segment by clicking the play button and stopping where you want the clip to end. With your clip in place, it's time to add a text overlay that introduces your message. Click on the Text tab in the left panel, then choose Add a Heading. A sample text box will appear on the canvas. Drag it to the top or center of the video, depending on where you want the text to appear. In this case, we're creating a short about solo travel, so type, "The best thing about solo travel is..." Now customize this text. Change the font to something modern, like Anton or League Spartan. Make it bold, adjust the size, and change the color to white for better visibility. To make the text pop, click Effects and apply a background style. Adjust the color, transparency, spread, and corner rounding to suit your aesthetic. Next, we'll animate the text. Click on the text box, go to Animate, and explore the Text Animations section. Choose an animation like Fade, Typewriter, or Rise, depending on your theme. With your first video clip and animated text in place, let's enhance the storytelling by adding voiceover narration. This not only boosts engagement, but also makes your short more dynamic and accessible. First, go to voicemaker.in, a free and easy-to-use text-to-speech generator. It lets you create realistic voiceovers without recording your own voice. In the input box, type the same sentence you used for your text overlay. The best thing about solo travel is, from the voice options menu, select a realistic female voice, especially if your far short targets a female audience. You can preview each voice until you find one that sounds natural and engaging. After selecting the voice, click Convert to Speech, and then download the generated audio file. Next, upload and sync the audio in Canva. Return to your Canva editor and go back to the Uploads tab. Simply drag and drop the downloaded voiceover file into the panel. Once it's uploaded, drag the audio onto the timeline right below the first video clip. Canva will automatically place it as background audio for that scene. Now, play the clip from the beginning to ensure everything is synchronized. If the voiceover is longer or shorter than the video clip, no problem. You can either adjust the video clip duration by dragging its edge in the timeline, or trim the audio to match the visual pacing. Now that the first section is complete, it's time to add the second video clip. Go to page 2 in your timeline and drag the second uploaded video from your Uploads tab onto the new canvas. As before, resize it to fill the frame and trim the clip down to about 4 to 5 seconds, keeping your short concise. To maintain a consistent design, go back to the first page, click on the text box, and press Ctrl-C to copy it. Then go to the second canvas page and press Ctrl-V to paste it in place. This keeps your font, size, color, and style uniform across slides. Now, edit the text for the second message. For this example, we'll use a follow-up line. Getting to know yourself. Once done, repeat the steps on voicemaker.in. Type in the new sentence, choose the same voice to keep consistency, and then convert to speech and download the file. Back in Canva, upload the new audio and drag it into the timeline under the second clip. Make sure the new audio aligns with your trimmed video. Adjust lengths if necessary to sync visuals and narration. Finally, it's time to add transitions. To elevate the video, add a transition between the two scenes. Hover your mouse between the two pages in the timeline and click Add Transition. Canva offers several effects. Select something subtle yet engaging. This makes the change between clips feel smooth and intentional. Once you're satisfied with everything, video, text, voiceover, and transitions, it's time to export your YouTube short. Click Share in the top right corner, then select Download. Also choose MP4 video as the file format, and then click Download, and Canva will render your short. After it finishes downloading, open the file and review your final video. You should now have a high-quality, engaging YouTube short that feels polished and professional. So that's basically how you can make YouTube Shorts with Canva. And that's it for this video. Thanks.